Hey, folks, thanks for checking in on this lovely Tuesday, January 18th. Unfortunately, you are not here at school with us today, but I will run through with you what you can do from home to hopefully stay caught up with the rest of our science classes, and be back here tomorrow, hopefully, right? If not, check in on tomorrow's video too. Since the beginning of the week, we always show you the agenda, the weekly agenda, so now would be a good time to jot things down in your planner if it's home. You can pause this screen. I'm not going to go through all of it with you, but today's focus is an acid-base lab. So we're doing a lab activity in science class today. Obviously, you can't do that from home, but to replace those points, we do have an activity you can complete from home today, just to kind of give you some of the things we'll be learning about during class today. So there's going to be that for you, okay? Purpose of the lesson is to explain the difference between an acid and base, right? We started that on Friday, if you were here, of last week, and we're going to continue that and do our lab, okay? Something you can do if your do now packet is home, we are going to define acid as a word of the day. So you could write that down and you could write down this definition, which again, we talked about a lot of these characteristics last Friday. So it's a chemical substance. It's going to taste sour. On that pH scale we talked about, it's a less than 7. So it's on the low end. It'll turn that testing paper, that pH or litmus paper red, can conduct electricity, can react with a base to form salt and water, a neutral substance. Okay. We're going to be doing a lab, like I said, in our composition notebooks. Since you can't do the lab, right, there's going to be lab stations here today, and they're going to do some observations and decide if things are liquids or different things are acids or bases, that sort of thing. Since you don't have equipment, you want to stay up with the class and learn about acids and bases. You are going to complete the Edpuzzle that you see attached to today's post. The guy in the video goes over a lot of the things we're going to cover in the lab. So if you do that, we'll say, hey, that's kind of equivalent to completing the lab. Then you don't have to worry about making up the lab when you get back. Okay, so do that today. And if you're back tomorrow, you should be kind of right where the rest of our classes are, right? If not, check in on our daily videos again, okay? All right, hope you have a good rest of your day.